Back, guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. PFX. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick way to just scalp the market bastardly. As you can see, I'm having 322 USD here. I'm just going to be showing a quick way to what I calling it, to scalp on volatility 75. To scalp on volatility 75, like a very easy way to scalp it. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on my 4 hours time frame. So look at something, guys. Look at something. Now, if you check this stuff, all I'm using is my phone. I'm doing this because people are like, okay, please create some strategies with your phone and things like that on volatility, so we can actually use our phones and it becomes general. Now, look at something, guys. Now, see, when I actually show people some little strategies when it comes to like volatility indices, I'm actually very plain. You don't have to stress yourself, especially when you have low capital. So this is majorly for those that have low capital and want to grow up their account. Look at something, guys. Now I take this thing to one day, like a daily time frame. Now if you notice something happened here, Can you see what happened here, guys? Boom. Can you see what happened here? It actually broke off. Now, immediately as this happened here, immediately as this stuff happened, can you see what happened? Immediately as this stuff happened, we actually know now that, hey, what do you call it? Our support, or our resistance is now a support. Now, what do? I just quickly wait for a normal short retracement. Now, see, there's nothing to stress yourself out. There's nothing. Now, this guy definitely, as it is, has come down here. It has hit the spot to retest. I'm looking at the daily time frame. It has hit the spot to retest the resistance that has been converted to a support. So what do? I just simply wait for it to start going back, because it's done testing now. Now I can just take this trade easily now. I haven't seen the daily time frame. Now, what do? I just go to the 4 hours. I see it has completed the retest here. It's so clear. It has completed the retest. Even though this is deriv, it might go back again to retest again for the second time. But as it is now, it has retest. Before this stuff will go back, that means it will have to come to this spot. At least this spot here. The spot, let me draw it. It will have to come to somewhere here after hitting the spot before it thinks of even going back again, or it will just keep going up. Now this is just a short stuff, guys. There's nothing to stress about here doing so many calculations. No, see, trading is actually basically just seeing the market just the way it is. Now when I give my analysis, you can see now from the 15 minutes time frame, it actually shows me something. Now look, boom. Can you see what just happened? Now I don't just give you stuff like just tell you, hey, do this stuff, do it or something. No, I don't just tell you. Can you see what it's doing around the line I just drew right before you? What do I do now? I can just simply come here now as it is. I won't stress myself again. I just go to 1 minute time frame. People believe that it's not possible to scalp using 1 minute time frame when trading on volatility, but watch now. I'm going to do it right before your eyes. I don't tell people things I don't do. Can you see the line? Again, let me draw this. Can you see what I'm showing you? Now, guys, okay. Now look at something. Again. It's telling me that it's forming something, what I call an X. Let me complete it. It's forming what I call an X in such a way that it will hit this my order line and boom, go up. Now, and actually follow what I just showed you on the daily and on the what I just showed you on the daily and on the 4 hours and 50 minutes. So yeah, now, so people don't think, hey, this guy is just saying, I'm going to take trades bastardly to just scalp the market. Now, I'm going to be taking on 2 here. I'm going to buy here. I'm just going to buy again, so people don't think I'm just here. I'm just going to buy again. I'm just going to keep buying. Okay, now let me just keep buy and let me keep buying. Let me just keep buying, so people don't think I'm scared. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, I think, should I still buy? Let me add another buy. Let me just add another buy, so people don't think, hey, this guy. See, other people, they actually analyze the market, but they don't show you how these stops are done. See, I'm analyzing the market and showing you how this stuff is, how this stuff are done, like right before your eyes. Right before your eyes. See, I'm not showing you something. I'm not analyzing the chart and ending this video. I'm showing you the analysis of this my scalping and taking the trades right before your eyes. So you can just see. Now, look at, if you can see, it's still within the X zone, which I just drew. I call it an X zone. Now, it's still within my X zone. Watch what's about to happen now. It's about to move like this. Boom. Up like this. It's about to just spike up like that, like crazily now, right before your eyes. So I'm using 1 minute time frame. So guys, don't think I'm here just saying stuff that I don't know. Just watch it spike up now. Now, if you even notice already, look at okay. If you even notice already, let me just remove this my stuff. Can you see it spiking up already? See, I'm not here to like joke with you or tell you something I don't know. I didn't come here to joke with you or tell you something I don't know. Guys, this is how you scalp the market. This is how you scalp the market dangerously. This is how you scalp the market dangerously. I don't want this video to be so long, guys. It's a buy for me. All I just wanted to do, I have free mentorship. All I just wanted to do is to just subscribe to my channel and just join my Instagram and just join my Telegram. Can you see what I just showed you? I don't analyze charts and not show you. I analyze and show you what's about to happen. Can you see it spiking up right before your eyes? It's a buy for me, guys. All I just wanted to do is to just subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram. It's a buy for me, guys. Peace.